Namaste, my dear children. Welcome to distance learning sessions through videos. This video is made for class 2, subject maths, chapter number 3, numbers up to 1000. This is the third video on this chapter. Today, let us learn numbers from 201 to 300. Write the numbers from 201 to 300 to complete the following grid. Here, a number grid is given. Few of the numbers are written here, and you have to complete this number grid. Here the numbers are started from 201 and continued in this row 202, 203. You should continue here 204, 205 and so on up to 210 in the first line, and in the second line start from 211 and right up to 220. Coming to third line start from 221 and so on. Similarly, you should make a table of numbers from 201 to 300. Write this table of numbers in your classwork. So the number 300 can be represented using the beads. This is a panel of beads containing 100, and if you have 3 such panels, 100 plus 100 plus 100 gives us 300s, which is 300. These 100 panels 3 together makes 300s. Counting forward. When we count forward from a given number, we add 1 to get the next number. So counting forward means we will go on adding 1 to the given number and we will get the next number, and this way of adding one number to the number we are getting is called as counting forward. Let us see an example here. Counting forward, write 4 numbers starting from 232. That means we have to start from 232 and we have to count forward and write 4 numbers starting from this number. So to get the next number, what we do, we will add 1. 232 plus 1 gives us 233, and if you add 1 to it, you will get 234 plus 1 gives us 235. Adding 1 again to it gives us 236. Like this, we will count forward. That means 232, 233, 234, 235, 236, which is called as counting forward. So when we count forward from a given number, we add 1 to get the next number, and again we add 1 to get the next number, Adding 1 to this number will give us the next number 235, and adding 1 to 235 gives us the next number 236. Like this, if we go on adding 1 to the previous number, we will get the next number, which is called as counting forward. Now let us see what is counting backward. When we count backward from a given number, we subtract 1 to get the previous number. Let's take an example. Counting backward, write 4 numbers starting from 468. First we will write down 468. This time we are counting backward. So while counting backward, we will subtract 1 from the given number and we will get the previous number. So when we subtract 1 from 468, we will get 467, and subtracting 1 from it, we will get 466. And if you subtract 1 from 466, you will get 465, and subtracting 1 from 465, we will get 464. So like this, we can write 4 numbers starting from 468 counting backward. So you will get 468, and the next previous number is 467, and the number that comes just before 467 is 466, and the number you get just before 466 is 465, and if you subtract 1 from it, you will get 464. So this is what we mean by counting backward. So when we count backward from a given number, we subtract 1 from the given number to get the previous number. Again you subtract 1 from it, you will get the number that comes just before this number. So like this, if you go on subtracting 1 from the given number, you will go on getting the number that comes just before it, and which is called as counting backward. So this is about counting forward and counting backward from a given number. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned new things today. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye children.